Hello, today we will guide you through how to hide my ads in Facebook Ads Library. Before we begin, a quick clarification. Facebook's public ad library is designed for transparency, so you can't remove or hide your own ads from that library. What you can do, however, is control what you see by hiding ads from specific advertisers across your Facebook experience. This walkthrough shows you exactly how to do that using Facebook's ad preferences. Start by opening facebook.com and signing in if you aren't already. On desktop, look to the top right of the page and click your profile picture. This opens Facebook's main menu where you can access your account tools. If you're on mobile, the profile or menu icon may appear as 3 lines. The next steps are the same, though some labels may look slightly different. From that menu, choose Settings and Privacy to expand the options, then select Settings. This opens the full settings area where you manage everything from security to notifications. In the Settings sidebar, find Ad Preferences. This section controls what influences the ads you see and gives you tools to manage advertisers you'd rather not hear from. When you select Ad Preferences, Facebook may redirect you to Account Center. That's normal. Account Center centralizes settings that can apply across Facebook and Instagram. On the Account Center page, click Ad Preferences again to open the dedicated ads controls. Now look for the section that lists advertisers you've seen ads from. Find the advertiser whose ads you want to stop seeing and click their name to open their details. You'll see an option to hide ads from that advertiser. Click Hide Ads and confirm if prompted. Once confirmed, Facebook will reduce or stop showing you ads from that advertiser across Facebook, and in many cases across connected experiences. Changes usually take effect quickly, though you might still see occasional content if it's not categorized as an ad or if required by policy. If you ever change your mind, return to the same Ad Preferences area in Account Center to review and unhide advertisers. While you're there, you can also explore additional controls such as adjusting ad topic preferences to further tailor what appears in your feed. If the layout looks a bit different on your account, don't worry. Facebook updates menus from time to time. Use the search bar within Settings and type Ad Preferences or open Account Center directly and go to the Ads section. That's it. You've successfully used Facebook's ad preferences to hide ads from a specific advertiser.